Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to change Facebook password. Open your Play Store. Now update Facebook. My Facebook is already updated. Let's open it. Now click on your Facebook icon and scroll down. Click on Setting and Privacy. Now click on Setting and now click on your account center. Scroll down. Now click on your change password. Now click on your correct password. Okay. Now click on your change password. By doing this process, you can successfully change your password. Thank you.